Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about another example for PDA. So we have to construct a PDA for language L is equal to A to the power n, B to the power m, C to the power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1 and m is greater than or equal to 1. So here, number of A's and C's must be equal. B's can be in any number. For example, if AA, BBB, CC means this is a correct input string. 2 A's, the string has 2 A's at the beginning and 2 C's at the end, and in between it has some number of B's, so 3 B's. So we can do this problem by inserting all A's onto the stack, and for each B, if we read B's, then don't do any operation on the stack, that is no change operation, because there is no need to match B with any symbol. So all A's must be pushed onto the stack. For B's, no change operation, and for each C, we have to pop one A from the stack. Okay, so this is the initial configuration of the stack. Q naught is the start state, and delta Q naught comma, the first input symbol is A, top of the stack is Z naught, equals, we have to remain in the same state Q naught, and we need to perform push operation. So A Z naught, A must be pushed onto the stack. So Q naught to Q naught, A comma Z naught slash A Z naught. Now this is for pushing one A. Then we have to repeatedly push other A's. So Q naught comma, next input symbol is A, and the top of the stack is also A. So we should remain in the same state Q naught, and this A is also pushed onto the stack. So this A replaces A, another A is pushed onto the stack. So A, another A is also pushed onto the stack. So Q naught to Q naught, A comma A slash AA. Now Q naught is a current state, and the next input is B. Top of the stack is A. Means, so we have to go to next state Q1 and no change operation. No change means write the same A here. So don't do any operation with the stack. Q naught to Q1, edges labeled by B comma A slash this A. Then this is for 1B. Now we need to write for the remaining B's. So Q1 to Q1 we have to write. So Q1, next input is B, top of the stack is A, and we should remain in the same state Q1 and no change in stack. So from Q1 to Q1, B comma A slash A should be written here. So the next input is also B, and the current state is Q1. So Q1 comma B comma A equals Q1 comma A. So this is performed repeatedly for any number of B's. Next, we are in state Q1 and the current input C. Top of the stack is A. Means we have to pop one A, right? So we need to go to another state Q2 and A should be popped from the stack. So Q1 to Q2, draw an edge, and that edge is labeled by C comma A bar epsilon. This is for popping one A from the stack. Now for the remaining C's, we have to perform the repeated pop operation. So delta of Q2 is the current state. Now the current state is Q2 and the next input is C. Top of the stack is A. Means we have to remain in the same state Q2 and pop epsilon. So this is also popped from the stack. So Q2 to Q2, C comma A bar epsilon should be written. So now the next input is epsilon, right? So Q2 comma epsilon comma, top of the stack is Z naught. Means we have to go to the final state and we can empty the stack, but because it is not mentioned in the question, so we can make it to go to final state as well as empty stack. So the stack is popped. Okay, so Q2 to Q3, draw an edge, and that edge is labeled by epsilon comma z naught slash epsilon. So now we can write the 7 TPL notation. PDA P is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Input symbols A, B, C. Stack symbols A and Z naught. Delta is a transition function that we have written. Then Q naught is a current state. Z naught is a stack symbol, start stack symbol, and the final state is Q3. Thank you.